What does OCC do for me?
I'm studying early childhood education.
I'm a veteran studying engineering science.
I'm a blind mother of 3, studying human services, advocating for those who have disabilities.
What does OCC do for me? I'm studying interior design, creating functional commercial spaces.
I'm getting real-world experience with a marketing internship.
OCC has taught me how to be a strong student.
OCC allows me to work as a real estate agent and advance my career in the same time.
I'm studying to become a TV news producer.
OCC allows me to explore my passion in music.
What does OCC do for me?
What does
OCC do for me?
I'm involved in student government.
I'm part of a national championship lacrosse team.
On-campus childcare has allowed me to come back to school.
Advancing my education.
Study abroad.
Studying business.
Criminal justice. Math and science.
International relations.
And you thought we were only a community college.